Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Today it's going to be an unboxing time. Got this package actually on this day when I'm recording it on Wednesday. The package itself got here pretty quick actually, which is nice. So I'm gonna cut it open and hopefully I will not dox myself. Sorry about the noise. There we go. There we go. A lot of paper. And a can opener. Got a Grill House 13 package. First one, Hellfire hot sauce, blueberry hell. And the second one, Devil's Blend, Hellfire hot sauce. And the third one, and maybe the most infamous one, Blair's Alter Death in a Coffin with Jersey Fire. Holy shit. So yeah, that's the shit. Goddamn. Roasted Reaper hot sauce. Goddamn. So I will probably say goodbye to my asshole. But we will actually see if, well, it's going to happen, but it's only when I will do it. But comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.